In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with KFC app.cashflow.com. We're focusing on how to give your accountant secure access in KashFlow so they can work directly with your financial data without ever using your login. This makes reporting, reconciliations, VAT returns, and year-end work faster and safer while you stay in full control. Start by signing into your KashFlow account. Head to the main KashFlow website and click the login button in the top right. Use your usual credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the main overview where you can navigate to all your settings. From the left-hand menu, open Settings. Under the section for your account, look for Sharing and Permissions or Accountant Access. The exact label may vary based on your version, but both lead to the same place. The controls that determine who can view or edit your data. Now invite your accountant. Click the option to invite or add accountant access. Enter your accountant's email address carefully, since the invitation is tied to that email. Choose the level of access you want to grant, such as full access if they need to manage filings and journals, or view only if they're just reviewing reports. You can include a short message to provide context like which period they're working on. When you're ready, send the invitation. Your accountant will receive a secure link that lets them log in or create their own KashFlow partner account. This keeps your login private and allows them to work within their own profile. On their side, they'll open the email, click the access link, and either sign in or register if they don't already have a partner account. As soon as they accept, their access level is applied automatically, and they can start collaborating with you in real time. You can manage or remove access at any time. Return to Settings and open Accountant Access to see everyone who currently has permission. Select Edit to adjust what they can do, or Remove to revoke access altogether. Changes take effect immediately, so there's no need to send a new invite unless you're adding someone new. A few tips to keep things smooth. Review who has access every few months and never share